Here.
Well, I don't see the silver lining.
Thinking she might be able to go because guess whose dad works at a high school for girls and could maybe pull some strings for the very best daughter in the world?
You guys supposed to be crossing through here?
Hey, Coco. Hey, Coco.
So you want to
Hey,
come out
Nina.
here?
And live with you, wouldn't that be awesome? I know, you convinced Mom. She really wants this job, so it's a major opportunity.
It's nice that you want to help your mother out, but we're already into the semester now.
It's only been a few weeks. You could catch up.
Nothing would make me happier, but things have been a little rocky around here.
You're doing what you always do, aren't you? Rubbing people the wrong way.
Oh, they get used to me. They always do.
I can help. I speak Mormon porn.
Hey, Nina.
Dad, I
Nina,
could actually
Coco.
really use a change.
Do you really want to pay for you?
Sure.